Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation aims to diagnose the DTC P068A, which indicates an unexpected voltage issue in the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, power source circuit in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This error code points to a malfunction where the PGM-FI main relay 1 circuit has been opened without command, causing the PCM to detect an abnormality and store this DTC. The PCM is a critical component for controlling the engine and transmission functions, situated within the engine compartment, typically near the battery area. The PGM-FI main relay facilitates power supply to the fuel injection system, playing a vital role in engine operation. Understanding this DTC is essential for accurate diagnosis and efficient repair to ensure optimal vehicle performance. The primary components affected by the DTC P068A are the PGM-FI, Programmed Fuel Injection Main Relay 1, and the PCM. The PGM-FI Main Relay 1 supplies power to essential engine components, ensuring the PCM has the necessary voltage to function properly. Its role is crucial because without this relay functioning properly, the PCM cannot communicate with other key components, resulting in engine performance issues. The PCM itself controls various aspects of the engine's operation, including fuel mixture, timing, and emissions. In terms of location, the PGM-FI main relay is usually found in the engine compartment relay box, while the PCM is typically located near the engine, often close to the battery for easier access and wiring management. Understanding where these components are situated is vital for effective troubleshooting. There are several potential causes for the DTC P068A being triggered. One possibility is the failure of the PGM-FI relay itself, which can prevent the relay from sending power to the PCM. This issue might arise due to internal faults or age. Another common cause is an open circuit, which may occur if there is a break in the wiring between the relay and the PCM, leading to an inability to deliver the necessary voltage. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM can also trigger this DTC, as the module may misinterpret normal voltage levels or fail to recognize that a relay is open. Understanding these causes helps technicians zero in on the problem during troubleshooting. The symptoms associated with the DTC P068A can significantly affect vehicle operation. One common symptom is general engine performance issues, such as rough idle, stalling, or hesitation during acceleration. Another possible symptom is engine start failure, which may manifest when the driver attempts to start the vehicle, but the engine does not crank due to lack of power from the PCM. Additionally, the vehicle's check engine light may illuminate, alerting the driver to an existing problem within the vehicle systems. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to more efficient diagnostics and repairs. The initial step in troubleshooting the DTC P068A involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This is critical because it allows the system to begin the initialization process, enabling the PCM to perform self-checks and diagnostics. When the vehicle is in the on mode, it powers up multiple electronic components, allowing technicians to gather data related to the DTC, while ensuring the system is ready for further inspections. Failure to properly engage the on mode may lead to incomplete diagnostics and incorrectly assessed conditions. This foundational step is essential for any subsequent troubleshooting. The second step in troubleshooting involves testing the PGM-FI main relay 1. To execute this test, one must disconnect the PGM-FI main relay and assess its functionality using a multimeter. A functional relay should exhibit continuity in its circuit when active, providing necessary power to the PCM. Any reading that shows a poor connection or none at all could indicate a faulty relay. Troubleshooting this component is vital because it is pivotal for power delivery. Thus, a defective relay will lead directly to DTC P068A. This test serves as a critical checkpoint before moving on to inspect the wiring and PCM. The third step includes inspecting external circuit components related to the power supply connections. This involves checking the +B IGP, FI main RLY out, and FI main RLY CL- circuits for continuity and proper voltage. In this process, technicians should ensure that these circuits are not open, shorted, or disconnected. Each of these components plays a role in supplying voltage to the PCM and ensuring that the PGM-FI main relay operates correctly. During this inspection, any abnormalities detected can provide significant clues as to why the DTC has been triggered. Careful examination will help maintain the integrity of the electrical system in the vehicle. The final troubleshooting step involves a direct inspection of the PCM. If previous tests indicate that the PGM-FI relay and related circuits are functioning properly, it is likely the PCM may be at fault. The PCM must be inspected thoroughly for any signs of damage, corrosion, or faulty connections. Common indicators of a failing PCM could include erratic behavior or failure to communicate with other vehicle systems. Furthermore, during this process, it is also essential to ensure that all connectors are secure and free from contaminants. If this inspection reveals no issues, it may confirm the PCM failure itself as the root cause of the DTC P068A. Upon completing repairs related to DTC P068A, it is crucial to perform a final verification to ensure that the issue has been resolved properly. Start by clearing the DTC from the system using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. Clearing the code resets the PCM, allowing it to reevaluate the circuit and components involved. After clearing the code, take the vehicle for a test drive to monitor for any recurring symptoms. It is vital to run diagnostics again to confirm that the DTC does not return and that the associated systems function optimally. This final repair verification step is essential for validating the efficiency of the repairs made and ensuring vehicle reliability. Preventive maintenance plays a key role in avoiding future occurrences of the DTC P068A and ensuring the longevity of the vehicle's electrical system. One recommendation is to perform regular testing of the PGM-FI main relay and other relays to ensure they are functioning properly. This helps identify potential issues before they lead to significant breakdowns. In addition, routinely inspecting wiring connections for wear and tear, signs of corrosion, or loose connections will help maintain a good electrical system integrity. Taking these preventive steps can save time and costs associated with unexpected repairs and improve overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P068A is crucial for addressing unexpected voltage issues in the PCM power source circuit effectively. Recognizing the importance of components such as the PGM-FI main relay and PCM highlights the interconnectedness of different systems within the vehicle. Following the comprehensive troubleshooting steps ensures that technicians can systematically identify the root cause of the error. Maintaining a proactive approach with regular preventive maintenance will greatly reduce future occurrences and enhance reliability. Ultimately, a thorough approach fosters optimal vehicle performance and longevity, protecting the owner's investment. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.